Well, I mean, the whole idea here is we want to get out of sympathetic nervous system activity. We want to get out of fight or flight. To sleep well, we need to get out of fight or flight. And the relaxation, all of them work to do that, whichever one it is. But they do work. That's what they're designed to do. Music has lots of fun things. But these exercises, their specific purpose is to get the physiology and the psychology out of fight or flight. That's their only reason for being. And once you're out of fight or flight, then you function normally. Whether that's going to sleep or learning something or playing racquetball. Okay. George?
So I don't know if I can even ask this correctly, but my problem isn't going to sleep ever. I mean, I'm asleep in just a minute.
Mm-hmm.
But every night I wake up, maybe 1 or 2 in the morning. And
Every single night?
Almost.
Yeah.
And it's not a physical thing, but it's a mental thing. And my mind is just, I'm racing through things just mentally, which then wakes me up totally. So, I mean, you say it's not physical, I'm not tense or, but it's the mind.
Mm-hmm. So what's your question?
Well, so which of these would be?
I would try autogenics.
Autogenics.
Yeah. Or flowing comfort. See, what if you think about what you're thinking about when you wake up, it's not something here and now. It's tomorrow or yesterday stuff, right? You're never thinking about, oh, I'm lying here.
No, you're right.
It's always busy. Yeah. And so the messages you're giving to your body when you're thinking about stuff to do is do stuff, not sleep. And so what you want to do is put your mind and body back into, especially your mind back into here and now, whatever that is, flowing comfort, mindful, autogenics, to my mind are the two most powerful ones, if it's middle of the night. I just approach things from a stress perspective, and there's so many variables. With everything, there's so many variables that are involved. We play with things kind of as they relate to stress in here, but like somebody who's depressed, there's 80 variables that are playing a part in that person's depression. From a stress perspective, here's how I would approach it. And there's nutrition, there's hormones, there's all kinds of things that are also playing into that person's stress. Physical activity, all those kinds of things. And we are multidimensional and multi-modal, and so there's never an answer. But there's some good answers that can help.